Hi, today we're looking into the topic, how can SAP Signavio answer the question, what AI capabilities from SAP should I use based on my real data? So when we're talking about AI functionalities in the SAP world, then we're going to the Discovery Center, and here we have them all listed in the section SAP Business AI. In total, at the moment when I'm making this video, so March 26, I have 377 AI agents and AI features embedded in SAP solutions. So the question I have, and this number is growing, which of these features across the large SAP portfolio are interesting for me or addressing problems I really have? So because I don't want to read 377 descriptions, videos, documentation, and so on and so forth. And I don't have the resources to do so and be up to date all the time. So I use SAP Signavio Process Insights in this case. In SAP Signavio Process Insights, I analyze, for example, an SAP ECC on-premise, SAP CRM, or other SAP solutions which are on-premise or private cloud, and I want to prepare for a move into the direction of private or public cloud. Here in SAP Process Insights, I go now to end-to-end process, and I pick lead to cache. Here I have all the process flows and the innovation recommendations for this process. This is the important section for this use case. I simply filter for SAP Business AI. Of course, I have other categories, cloud ERP capabilities, process automation, but I want to use AI to solve my issues. And now I have here all the AI solutions listed in the relevance for my case, so based on my data. And let's pick the example sales order creation. You see here, SAP S/4HANA Public Cloud Edition, Sales Order Creation. It's obviously an AI functionality or AI supported functionality, and it's base AI. So I can now create a list for myself, write down, okay, I want to have this. And with this idea, I can go through all the AI innovations, maybe filter based on relevance for me, and I can see let's pick some examples. If they are for free, which is base AI does not come with additional costs. Maybe you have to install Joule in that case, but it does not come with additional costs. And I can see this one also is for free. If I have premium AI, this is coming with the cost of consuming AI units. But I can make a list, base AI, premium AI, and it's obviously that I can use all the base AI functionalities, activate them based on my data, based on my real issues I have. So I thought I'd make a video and highlight this. This counts for all the topics we have in Process Insights. So also for example, source to pay, you can do pretty much the same. So you can filter for business AI, and then you have here the capabilities which can be interesting for you and for your situation. All right, that's it for today. Have fun developing and see you next time. Bye.